What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Don't tell anybody you're wearing pink. I know. I can't find any of these plastic bibs. Now show them what you were doing before. Where's your tongue at? David. There you go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that tongue neat? You're silly. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You silly boy. Are you a silly boy? You show him your toopy? There you go again. What are you doing? Can you eat a puppy for me? Show them how you eat a puppy. Eat a puppy if mommy can? Look. A puppy? Grab one? Good job. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, those are good. Big sister Megan picked these kind out. You're so funny. Yes, you are. That food tastes good? Another. Oh, you dropped it. Try again. Here you go. You get it? Shove it in your mouth. Good job. You did it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yay, David, can you wave bye? Bye. You wave bye? Bye. Bye. There you go. Good job. Bye. Wave bye. Good job. Bye.